I do not feel like getting dressed today. I do have a contingency plan, or I should say contingency steps in getting dressed on these type of days. So let's get dressed. I do have some sort of default steps, and it sort of just helps me to like focus on one step at a time and end up with an elevated outfit. So my other thing that I always keep in mind when I feel like I don't want to get dressed is with each step, I choose an item that is comfortable yet elevated. And I will tell you my reasoning for this at the end of the video, but you might even be able to guess why I do this. Default first step. Always, usually, unless there's like a very specific item that I want to revolve my outfit around, a very specific anchor piece, I usually start out with bottoms as my anchor piece. I choose my bottom because I feel like it dictates a lot of things. I feel like it dictates my comfort, the style direction, or the style mood. I kind of feel like my Citizens of Humanity Cara pant, it's just not feeling... I don't know. I'm not in the mood for this one. I think I am going to go with a pair of jeans. Yep, it just feels right. Bright lights might blind my eyes, but the darkness... I have been loving these Celine jeans. They're like relaxed, but they look flattering. And I also love these pockets. They have like these square pockets. Ugh, so good. Okay, so they're definitely comfortable because they are like a relaxed fit. And they are elevated because they're Celine, for crying out loud. So feel good. Okay, we've got the bottoms on, so we've got that kind of default mode. So yes, this does remind me of our sponsor for today, which is Biologica, a vitamin brand, but not just any vitamin brand. It's a vitamin brand that specializes in vitamins for women, filling in those gaps in our different stages of our lives. Does create that easy default mode for me because a lot of times leave my vitamins out on the counter because that's really the only way I remember to take them. But a lot of vitamins are not very aesthetically pleasing. So I love that they have this beautiful aesthetic tin that I can leave on my countertop and it just looks nice. Like it doesn't look like an eyesore. Girl just turned 40 and girl is definitely feeling like she may be in some perimenopause. So I love that this vitamin in particular kind of focuses on that. And I am a big beverage person, so I love that I can now put this into my morning beverages. Give it a little bit of yummy flavor because it actually tastes good. If this sounds like something you want to maybe try out and see if it works to help you kind of have that default mode for your vitamin routine, then I definitely suggest checking out the link down below in my description. Thank you Biologica for sponsoring this portion of this video. So pairing piece. Pairing piece is my next step. It's gotta be comfy and it's gotta be elevated. I think for today's sake, I'm like feeling that like breezy mode because it is finally sort of spring here in Minnesota. I feel like whenever I wear a button-up shirt, it just makes me feel so much more put together. But which one shall we go with? I've got a few black and I've got these guys. But part of me kind of wants to go for this Anita Bing one. It's like a oversized linen one. For some reason, linen sometimes just bothers me, but some days it doesn't. I don't know. So I'm just not in the mood for linen today. So I kind of think the one I want to go for is this one from Reformation. This one is 98% organic cotton, so it's super breathable. It does have 2% spandex, so it does have like a tiny bit of stretch in it, and I think it'll look good with these jeans. Let's see. I haven't decided what I'm doing up here yet with this, but we'll get there. Okay, ooh, that feels good. I'm not gonna lie, that feels very, like I said, breezy. I do like these jeans, but for some reason, I don't know why I'm not feeling these jeans with these. I'm definitely feeling the shirt. We're gonna just try one other pair of jeans because the black doesn't seem to be popping as much as I would like. See, that's what I'm saying. Like my overthinking brain. I'm still, even with these default steps, I'm still allowing for myself to overthink it. I love that. yeah, this is, I kind of just wanted something to sort of, I don't know, warm it up, or just, it just felt like it needed something to brighten it up. I think too, I'm just like in spring mode. I just want some like brightness, and I feel like this blue is just refreshing. These are actually my APC jeans that I talked about, I think 2 videos ago. You know, in the video where I talked about how I didn't like the Citizens of Humanity jeans that got sent to me. Do I want to do like a half tuck? I don't know. No, I don't think that's right, right? No, that doesn't feel right. But maybe just a quarter tuck? See how that feels? Yeah, that's pretty cute. What do we think of the quarter tuck? Next thing is layering. It's gonna be 70 today. I don't know if I need a layer, but however, it's me, and I could get cold in a desert. So, okay. I'm gonna definitely go with my cotton sweaters. This is my cotton sweater section. I have 2 options that I'm leaning for just for their length. I have 2 just in different colors that are the same exact sweater. That's QUINCE's cable knit sweaters. This one's a small, this one's a medium, because I wanted like a extra oversized on this one. I kind of feel like either of them could work for this. So we're gonna try both and see how that feels. My only worry is it gonna make it feel almost too casual? And I'm trying to be like elevated. Like I could go blazer. It's kind of like my thought, but I don't know. I can't believe I'm gonna say this, but I don't know if I'm in the mood for a blazer today. That's pretty cute. I don't know. And I don't think it makes it feel too casual or basic. Yeah, kind of like that. I do like that. I like how it makes the stripe pop, but I do think this makes it look a bit basic. I liked that was like monochrome, so that kind of felt a little more elevated in that way. Ugh, fine, we'll try a blazer. Okay. Nope, just not in the mood. Not in the mood, not feeling that. I think I'm just in the relaxed, slouchy mood. So we're just gonna go with the cream sweater. Yes. Okay, you guys, I'm feeling good with that. Kind of know what I want to add for jewelry. I'm gonna keep it pretty simple. I'm gonna bring in my watch that I wear most days. I do think I want to add like a glitzy necklace because, yeah, I just want it to jazz up the casualness. So I'm gonna go with my Idol Jewelry diamond choker. Yeah, you know, diamonds really are a girl's best friend. So that definitely helped. That definitely put a little pep in my step. So now I think we can go for shoes. So here's my first option. It's my Prada driving shoes. I do think I love that. Let's crop them. Crop the jeans even more and see what that does. That feels spring. I did bring another pair of shoes that we could maybe try, because my only thought, again, the overthinking brain is coming in. I always have to have like a little element of edge. So do I want to try the other pair? Let's just try the other pair just because it's fun, you know? Okay, my GANNI loafers. We're gonna try these. Oh, I don't know, sugar. That was kind of a bad idea because now I don't know which one to go with. I'm gonna go with the GANNI because I just like that it ties in with the black. Like there's a little black tie-in, so it makes the black pop a little bit more. I like they're a little bit wider, so they can kind of hold their own with that heavier cuff. Okay, my fellow fashion friends, I think that this is the outfit. Yeah. Just turn it up. I think my heart's saying something. My favorite song is playing on the radio. You know I love you, don't play with my emotions. You can touch my body, but you can't touch my spirit. She dreams of dancing in a church in Milano. I could touch your body, but I can't touch your spirit. So the reason why I prioritize having something that's comfortable yet elevated, it's gonna lift you up out of that bit of funk that you're starting off in. This is just something that I do to help me on these harder days. Maybe it can help you as well. I don't know. But either way, I think Life is always better in a good outfit.